Hi guys, this is Alga. In this video we'll learn how to create navigation from storyboard. Now I am going to add navigation controller. It is an element which is needed to make navigation. Here it is, yellow one. I just drag it on storyboard. And it actually has its own controller, navigation controller on the left and root view controller on the right with table view controller. We don't need this one, so when we add navigation controller, we'll remove table view controller, just select it and delete. So here it is, I have navigation controller and I need to set it as root view controller to view we want to show. For that, select root view controller from menu and drag it on view controller. Here it is. Now our navigation controller is connected to view controller. Now we drag start point here and run an application. What changed? You may notice navigation bar on the top. If you remember, there wasn't anything before and now we have navigation bar. But we still don't add any navigation, so it's just navigation bar on the top and our start screen. What we do next is let's make a navigation. As this one for now one scenario, it would be a push navigation. It is very simple to make from storyboard. You just select button, we have one, right click on it and looking for action. When you see action, you drag it to view controller you want to show and here you see a menu. There are a few options. We don't choose deprecated for now, but there are 5 more: show detail, present model, present as popover and custom. Some of them are important only for iPads. Now we work with iPhone and here are 2 options: show or present modeling. It is for the previous discussed push and model navigation. If we choose present modeling, it will show model navigation. Let's check 2 options. Here it is, present modeling. We run our application and now when we press start, we see a model screen and when you press next, you see the action you added previously, but actually it doesn't have a navigation bar on top. Why is it so? As you may remember, the difference between push and model navigation is push work within one scenario and model open another new scenario. Our new scenario doesn't have a navigation controller on it. It is just view controller, so when we show it modelly, we don't see any navigation bar on top because we don't have any. And now let's change model to push. Delete all action and select action, and now let's choose show. Run once again. Now when we press start, we have a navigation controller on top and we actually can press back. We now into one scenario. It is one book and we can navigate through its page from one to another. And if now we want to add a new view controller, now we add a new view controller, so that make action, that would be show. You can see that navigation controller is now shown on the top because it is with one scenario, and then we run. We see new scenario and then we go back, we see the first one. But actually it is wrong. Previously our next button, make an action, it shows us different slides and now it shows us a different screen. So in next video we will learn how to make navigation from code, not from storyboard, because storyboard doesn't allow us to change action, depends on condition. Now please create a navigation for screens you already have and good luck!